More termination rate options, better mobile services. Let's meet our two friends, Alice and Bob. Alice wants to call Bob, but Alice and Bob are customers of two different mobile network operators, so-called MNOs. Now, when Alice is calling Bob, her MNO routes her call to Bob's MNO, which delivers Alice's call to Bob. For this call, Alice pays her MNO a contractually defined rate. Further, Alice's MNO has to pay Bob's MNO a termination rate for the delivery of the call. Thus, the costs of call consist of two parts. On one hand, the rate of Alice's MNO, and on the other hand, the so-called termination rate of Bob's MNO. But Alice only has the choice of her own MNO. Alice has no influence on these termination rates, which are predetermined by Bob's MNO. This determines a monopoly of MNOs. Let's come back to Bob. Today, incoming calls for Bob are delivered only by Bob's MNO. But Bob's MNO may show a high load, or even a poor signal. What if Alice could choose another MNO which is willing to terminate her call with Bob? Alice could select an MNO which has a better signal quality or is cheaper. How can Alice make that happen? By applying AbaCUS. AbaCUS defines an auction-based charging and user-centric system. Let's give you an example. Alice still wants to call Bob. With AbaCUS in place, several competing MNOs compete on an auction to terminate Alice's call. Alice chooses, according to her price and service quality preferences, a possible MNO. AbaCUS forces Bob's device to register to the chosen MNO temporarily, so that Alice can make her call to Bob with this MNO. AbaCUS overcomes the monopoly of the mobile network operator's call termination. Mobile network users benefit from better prices and quality. But also, MNOs benefit from more efficient loads of their networks and new incomes from guest callers. To find out more about MNOs lookup and the automatic in-demand MNO selection mechanism, take a look on the website www.abacusproject.eu or go to www.fp7-flamingo.eu.